First-time Amazon Flex drivers usually lose time in 3 places: block selection, station arrival, and inefficient delivery routing. And that's where most of the missed earnings happen. By the end, you'll know 8 practical Amazon Flex tips that help beginners avoid slow routes, reduce wasted waiting time, and complete blocks more efficiently. First tip is choosing blocks strategically, instead of grabbing everything available. Amazon Flex blocks vary by time and location, and the fastest paying shifts usually get taken quickly, so checking the app at consistent times increases your chance of getting better routes. Second tip is arriving early to the station. Getting to the pickup location a few minutes before your scheduled block helps you load packages calmly instead of rushing, which reduces mistakes once you start delivering. Third tip is organizing packages before leaving the station. Sorting packages by delivery order instead of throwing them in randomly saves time later because you're not stopping repeatedly to search inside your car. Fourth tip is using in-app navigation carefully instead of blindly following it. The route system is optimized for coverage, but real-world conditions like traffic or road closures sometimes make manual adjustments faster. Fifth tip is grouping deliveries by area. When multiple stops are close together, completing them in clusters reduces backtracking and helps you finish blocks faster. Sixth tip is keeping your phone charged and data stable. The Amazon Flex app depends heavily on live tracking, so interruptions can slow down scanning and navigation during your block. Seventh tip is knowing peak delivery zones. Some neighborhoods consistently have tighter delivery density, which can reduce driving time between stops and make blocks more efficient overall. Eighth tip is treating early blocks as learning blocks. The first few routes are usually slower, but they help you understand patterns like station flow, delivery spacing, and time estimates, which improves performance over time. The main pattern across all these tips is that Amazon Flex isn't just about driving faster, it's about reducing wasted time between steps like pickup, sorting, and navigation. Most beginners focus only on completing deliveries, but experienced drivers focus on reducing downtime between each delivery action. Start by improving just 2 things: how you organize packages and how early you arrive at the station. Those 2 changes alone usually make the biggest difference in your first week. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of gig apps and delivery strategies that actually help you earn more with less wasted time.